Welcome to the Polkadot tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to explain how you can unnote a preimage and basically claim the deposit for the preimage, and also how you can claim the decision deposit for an OpenGov referenda. Here we are on the Kusama relay chain. We can see I'm connected to Kusama, and we will use the KSM stash account because I previously created OpenGov referenda with this account. We can go under Governance, Referenda. In here, we can see the referenda that are currently active, and we can vote on these referenda. And for each track, we have different active referenda. If we go down here, we can see referenda that have passed, and we have to look for those referenda that we created. In this case, we created 280 and 281. And to claim a decision deposit, usually there is a button. Claiming the decision deposit of an OpenGov referendum is permissionless. Anybody can do it on my behalf. So in this case, we don't have to do anything. We can see that the submission deposit of 0.03 KSM for both referenda is still there because the referenda has been rejected, and the only case when we can claim the submission deposit back is if the referenda has been approved or it has been cancelled. And this is basically done to disincentivize people to create referenda and spam the network with referenda that are not interesting for the community. To claim a submission deposit, you go under Developer, Extrinsic, you select the account that you want to use to claim the submission deposit. Then you select the palette, the referenda palette. Then we select the type of function, refund submission deposit. And here we need to specify the index of the referendum. In this case, it should be 280 or 281. But again, we don't have the permission to do so because our referendum has been rejected. We can go back on governance and referenda. For these two referenda, 280 and 81, we also created a preimage. So I claim the preimage for 281 already, but in theory, we should have still the preimage for referendum 280 that we can unnote and clear basically the deposit for that preimage. We go under Governance, Preimages, and we need to look for the preimage that was created by our account. We can see here the preimage for bounties.approveBounty extrinsic. This is the one that we created for referendum 280. And we still have the deposit of 1.3 KSM that we can now clear because our referenda has ended and it has been rejected. So we can unnote this preimage. So we click on Unnote, we click Sign and Submit, and we sign with our KSM stash account. Alright, we successfully unnoted the preimage, and the preimage deposit is no more reserved in our account and is available as a free balance. I hope you learned something today about how you can claim your submission deposit if your referendum has been approved or cancelled, and how you can also claim the decision deposit, and also how you can unnote a preimage and clear the deposit for the preimage. Thank you for watching, and I see you in another video.